What's up? So we are here at the Call One Hell Direct Customer Experience Center with Brandy Johnson of PTZOptics, and she came bearing gifts. So she brought over a awesome little camera.
Hi, thank you for having me. First off, Amy,
Yeah.
This is amazing. I'm so excited to be here. I did bring our Studio Pro. This is an amazing camera for your social media influencers, for conference calling, for courtrooms, and it even has your light on top.
Yeah,
You
that's
know,
removable, so you can.
It is removable.
Yeah,
it is removable. It dims. It's bi-color, so you can actually change the lighting depending on what you need in your lighting scenarios. Like we're using now over here, I have it on bright, based on what we're doing today. It also has, if you turn around to the back, you've got USB 3.0 and 2.0. It is PoE. It has a cool little feature, so you can actually do portrait and landscape. So you got a little switch here just to do portrait or landscape. It has a line-in mic, so you can bring audio in. It does have a mic in the front, but you can also bring additional audio if you need. It is HDMI as well and NDIHX. You can also hold it.
Yeah.
Like, so if you need to use it as like a camcorder per se, it has a handle for holding. So amazing little guy here.
Yeah, and I put it up, connected to my laptop. It's literally plug and play USB-C. And I set up a Zoom meeting, and then I was able to, in Zoom, flip the camera around. Like it literally just flips around. So you can go into like portrait mode, landscape mode, or even flip you upside down if you wanted to. So that's kind of a cool feature. Again, it's got the built-in light. And I'm kind of excited. So she's going to leave one of these here with us so that we're going to be able to film some YouTube videos. I'm going to try to use it in actual meetings to see what that quality is like and get feedback from folks that are watching, because that's one big camera. Look at that lens. Anyway, Brandy, thank you so much for sharing this with us. Again, we'll be filming more videos featuring this. And we may even add some PTZOptics into our customer experience center here. You are more than welcome to book a demo so that you can see all the stuff. Brandon, you've been walking around. What have you seen?
Oh my gosh, there's so many things. Every room has its own experience. So you really do. This was an experience for me.
There you go.
But if you want more information on the Studio Pro, you're going to want to go to www.ptzoptics.com for more information. And thank you for having me here today.
You're so very welcome. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.